So now we are testing another amazing feature of ChatGPT is translation. Yes, ChatGPT can serve as a translator, and now we're gonna implement that in practice. Here you see examples of prompts. The prompts are pretty simple. For example, if you want to translate just in one language, let's say French, then we will say translate the following English text to French and then paste your text. So ChatGPT is capable of translating to several languages simultaneously. You can say, translate this text to French, Spanish, and German, and then paste this text. And both features will test shortly. You also need to take into account that ChatGPT is not trained on language pairs. So it just guesses the translation from whatever it was trained on. That's why the results may be inaccurate or even incomplete. So now we are going to ChatGPT. Let's type prompt here. Translate the following text. I wouldn't even say from English. It automatically detects it's English. I will say just to French. And let's go to this website. This is the weathernetwork.com. We'll copy this interesting information about the solar eclipse that is about to happen on the April 8th, 2024. So I will copy this text and then paste it to ChatGPT. Shift enter if you want to go to the next row, and then just enter. All right. Okay, so this is the French text. So 8th of April 2024. It looks like the translation looks good. February 26. So if you know French, you can inspect this better. I can ask ChatGPT to translate the same text to 3 languages at once. I wouldn't paste this text because ChatGPT already remembers the context of the conversation. I will say just translate the same text into 3 languages. French, Spanish, German. There you go. So see, this is French translation. Then we go to Spanish and German. Right, so the number of paragraphs is the same. It looks like that ChatGPT translated this text pretty well. Again, if any of you knows these languages, you can always check. We can compare translations, for example, from the first prompt when we just ask translate to one language. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4 paragraphs. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4 paragraphs. Yeah. From it looks very similar, if not exactly the same. For example, the third paragraph says tout le Canada a une chance de voir au moins une éclipse. Tout le Canada a une chance de voir au moins une éclipse. Yeah, the same. So yes, so ChatGPT can translate precisely. However, if there are still any doubts that your translation has been done well by ChatGPT, I can show you another translator. It's more professional translator. It's called DeepL. DeepL Translator is trained on language pairs in contrast to ChatGPT. That, of course, that makes this translator much more precise than ChatGPT. Because it was professionally trained, and it's already trained for more than 700 language pairs for 31 languages with the aid of machine learning and artificial intelligence. It can translate large documents. You can upload documents directly to DeepL, such as PDF, Word, PowerPoint, and it will translate directly from the document. It has free and paid version. So in free version you can use about 5,000 characters. In paid version, of course, you have many more features. You can save translation history, for example, in the paid version. Also, you can translate larger documents in paid version. So you may want to check it out as well. DeepL is available even without registration. However, if you want to register, you can do that. You can even download this app to your computer or cell phone, and just check it out. I can show how it works. In my case, I have downloaded this DeepL to my laptop. So I can paste, for example, the same text. Let's go to this text. This is the text, this one. All right. Okay, so this is English text, this is French text. DeepL actually also detects language automatically. And let's see. Yeah. So you can compare, you can go back to ChatGPT and compare DeepL's translation with ChatGPT's translation. Yeah, you see. And there you go. You have already learned how to translate texts with ChatGPT. You have already learned the alternative translator, which is more professional. So just select whichever you like and use it. Good luck with your translations. I hope you will enjoy it.